So how to use BIXBY in your Galaxy S24? So first of all, you have to enable your BIXBY. Go to your setting, and then you can check the advanced feature. Then this option BIXBY and voice wake up. Press on there, and you can see there is enable or disable option. So you can select Hi BIXBY or only BIXBY, and it's very simple. Just say Bixby, take a screenshot. Bixby, why your name is Bixby?
I think Bixby is synonymous with always by your side, but you can't find it on any baby names lists.
And you can also set Bixby as a power button. Currently, if I then no option, then power on and volume down, then you can see this kind of interface. You have to press on, then press on wake Bixby, then go back and press. If you press on this button, Bixby, open the camera. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.